What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the United Nations Federal Credit. The United Nations Federal Credit Union, or UNFCU, established in 1947, serves employees and affiliates of the United Nations and its associated organizations. Based in Long Island City, New York, UNFCU offers a range of financial services, including loans, credit cards, and digital banking. Its mission is to enhance the financial well-being of its members through tailored solutions and support. Now, let's take a look at some of its top benefits. Secure deposits. The United Nations Federal Credit Union ensures the safety of member deposits through insurance provided by the National Credit Union Administration. This independent agency protects individual accounts up to $250,000, including savings and checking accounts. Joint accounts can increase this limit to $500,000 per owner, offering peace of mind for members regarding their financial assets and investments. Automated convenience. Setting up payroll deposits with UNFCU allows members to automatically transfer a portion of their paycheck or pension into their accounts. This service is beneficial for managing finances, ensuring that funds are consistently available for spending or saving. Members earning in currencies other than the USD can also take advantage of favorable UN exchange rates, enhancing their financial flexibility and growth potential. Tailored lending solutions. UNFCU offers specialized lending options designed to meet the unique needs of the UN community. Whether members require personal loans, mortgages, or credit lines, UNFCU provides competitive rates and terms that cater specifically to those associated with the United Nations. This focus on the community ensures that members receive personalized support and financial products that align with their circumstances and goals. Multi-currency flexibility. UNFCU facilitates multi-currency transfers, allowing members to manage funds in various currencies seamlessly. This feature is particularly advantageous for international employees who may need to conduct transactions in different currencies. By offering competitive exchange rates and easy access to multiple currencies, UNFCU enhances its members' ability to navigate global finances efficiently and effectively. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Limited accessibility. One potential drawback of the UNFCU is its limited accessibility for non-US citizens and residents. Members outside the US may find it challenging to access services, especially if they require in-person assistance or physical branches. This can lead to reliance on outdated online platforms, which may not meet the needs of international users effectively. Outdated technology. UNFCU's online and mobile banking platforms have been criticized for being outdated and less user-friendly compared to other financial institutions. Members have reported difficulties in navigating the system and completing transactions, which can be frustrating, especially for those accustomed to more modern banking applications that offer streamlined services and automation. Currency conversion issues. While UNFCU provides multi-currency services, members may still face challenges with currency conversion rates and fees. For individuals receiving salaries in USD but needing to convert to local currencies, the potential for unfavorable exchange rates can impact their overall financial situation. This may necessitate additional planning and management of funds to minimize losses during conversion. In conclusion, While the United Nations Federal Credit Union offers valuable services tailored to its unique member base, potential drawbacks such as limited accessibility, outdated technology, and currency conversion challenges may affect user experience. Members should weigh these factors against the benefits to determine if UNFCU meets their financial needs effectively. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.